Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in this video we are going to see one more problem on the integral 1 upon under root quadratic. Let us start with problem number 6. Integral dx upon under root 16 minus 6x minus x square. Considering given integral as I, dx upon under root 16 minus 6x minus x square. Here in this case, they have given you 1 upon under root quadratic. Now the first step that we are going to see is that coefficient of x square should be 1, which is already given. In the second step, we are going to find third term. Third term is given by half into coefficient of x, the whole square, that is equal to half into coefficient of x is minus 6, the whole square. 2 ones are 2 threes are, and minus 3 square will give you plus 9. Now as you can see, the sign of x square is minus, therefore we need to give it negative, third term, and we will balance it by positive third term. I is equal to integral dx upon under root, for constant 16 we will give it plus 9, balance it by minus 9, and further we have minus 6x minus x square. In the next step, I will be dx upon under root 16 plus 9 will give you 25, and we will take minus sign common from rest of the three terms. Minus x square will become plus x square, minus 6x will be plus 6x, and minus 9 will be plus 9. In the next step, we will reduce these three terms, and at the same time we can write this constant as something square. 25 can be written as 5 square. I is equal to integral dx upon under root 25 minus x square plus 6x plus 9. Further, we have dx upon 25 can be written as 5 square, and x square plus 6x plus 9 can be reduced to square root of x square is x, sign of second term is plus, and square root of 9 is 3, the whole square. Now I can compare this given integral with the standard formula, integral 1 upon under root a square minus x square dx, which is equal to sin inverse x by a plus c. Here the value of a will be 5 and the value of x will be x plus 3. Therefore I is equal to sin inverse x plus 3 upon 5 plus c. This is our final answer. I hope friends you have understood this problem. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe Ekeeda.